Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. Here we go, heading into the weekend. How is everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Oh, this girl, oops, there goes my Nourish. It did not break on the concrete floor, thank goodness. All right, I'm just getting ready, and I thought I would just come in here and chat a little bit while I'm getting ready for work, and share just, all the things that you need, the things that you need to try, the things that are coming, things that you can take advantage of, all that fun stuff. I have been sitting in inflamed eye mode, which I thought that they were getting better, and then I did a really dumb thing, and then I tried this new eye serum for lash growth, and then that kind of put me back a minute, and then they kind of were feeling it better, and then my battery is getting ready to die, so I don't know how much time I'm going to have here with y'all, but anyway, so I think I've been kind of fighting a little virus. So I've been trying to tune into my immune boosting things, taking on my vitamin C. And I'm just grateful that I've got Shackley. Hey, Abby, how are you this morning? I am grateful for my Shackley products that, because I feel like they are some of the best vitamins out there for sure. So I've really been tuning into and taking my vitamins, trying to lower my inflammation in my body. And if I don't feel like coming on live, that's because I don't feel good. Because I really enjoy coming on here, saying hello to you guys. I feel like that is my way of social connecting. Excuse me. That's the way I do it, because this time of year especially, we're all kind of hermits in our house. Hey, Steph! All right, so we're coming to the end of January. We are almost done with January. Can you believe it? Couple things that you want to snag, especially with Beauty Society. You guys, look at my skin. Yes, my eyes are a little puffy, but my skin is looking so good and so healthy. If you want to add in just one thing to give yourself a boost, you got to try the Revival. It's brightened my skin. It's helping my serums penetrate deeper into the skin. You can use it morning and at night. It comes in this beautiful glass bottle, and you can get a refill for the bottle. So I have a bottle for my basement. I have a bottle for my upstairs bathroom, so that way when I'm doing my morning routine or my evening routine, I can put this on first. So if you want something to just give your skincare a little boost, help your serums out, help them do their job even better, the Revival is one to give a try. This is our product of the month. You can get this at 50% off if you join as an advisor, or if you put this on subscription, you can get this at 50% off. Like, you have to add the subscription. The subscriptions all process on the 15th of the month. So you can always change that, right? And then you can go back in, place an order, and you would be able to get this at half price. So take advantage of this offer. It is such a good deal. Everyone else, you can get it at 20% off. So it's a great, great bargain. I love that they have a product of the month every single month. It is so good and so fun. All right, so I've done my wands, I've done my eye serums. I double up on my eye serums in the morning pretty much every time. One eye product that you might want to give a try if you're going to place an order with Beauty Society is their Immortal Eyes. This one is good for AM, PM. It's a very strong gel cream. They call it an eye cream gel. This one really is good for targeting fine lines and wrinkles. I'm going to put it on today because it is actually, I find that if I use the wands with Palmifera, or they're Shackley, but my eyes can get a little dry, And so I do like to put this one is just a little bit more hydrating. And this is the Immortal Eye. So if you're looking for a good eye cream, this is one to give a try. All right, and then I'm probably just gonna keep it simple today. I'm gonna go on with my plump. I really love using the hyaluronic acid plump with Pomifera in the mornings, because then it just kind of really hydrates my skin, keeps me moisturized, hydrated throughout the day. All right, and then the other thing that I wanted to share is that we're going to be getting a new product with Pomifera. I have no idea what it is. They don't like to share secrets with Pomifera, but that's supposed to be coming. I have no idea when it's launching, but they had a call yesterday with our leaders. Oh, and I was not on that call, but I'm understanding there is a new product that's coming. I'm just going to moisturize on top here. But with Beauty Society, this last week, they had a retreat for their leaders, which I'm going to make it my goal to get to this retreat because it looked so fun. They were like throwing money in a little, like a little glass picture bin, like picture like a selfie shot kind of glass. I don't know what you would even call it. Anyways, but you go inside this glass. Hey, Jenny, you go inside this little glass container and then you like take all the fun little selfies. And they have like a fan in there and they were blowing all this money to the leaders, and that you could grab as much money as you possibly could in the time that you were in there while it was blowing. So they really, at Beauty Society, they really just do fun things for their leaders, and I want to be a part of that. So I'm definitely building a team here at Beauty Society, and we are almost 40 strong on our Beauty Society team. It's really exciting. I think it's a really fun place to be. Of course, I'm still going to promote and love on my Pomifera. We're gonna have a trip announced, excuse me, with, excuse me, gosh, I hate it when I come in here live in the morning and I'm all froggy for you. Anyways, we're going to have a trip announced at Pomifera too soon. We'll be starting the earning period with that in February. So you can absolutely bet that I'm going to try and go for that. And I'm going to try and go for the Beauty Society trip as well. You know, these trips, if you're working your business, if you're selling, sharing, promoting, people end up joining you and your business grows. And then as long as you're building your customer base, and there are ways, hey Denise, good morning. There are ways to get in on the goods, all right? So if you're looking for something fun to do in your life, you want to just add a little entertainment, maybe a little travel, maybe a little social girl time. You know, I was just telling a friend of mine that's on my Pomifera team, and we would never really connect or chat because our lives are, you know, you can only have so many close friends in your life and manage your family at the same time. So I love that this business allows you to have basically your own girl gang, you know? And so if you are in need of growing friendships, having fun things to do, setting goals, going for different achievements, it may be time to take a look at one of these businesses. So, like I said, Beauty Society, they had their leadership retreat. I'm in one of their leadership levels. I did earn a trip to go to Las Vegas this summer in June, which will be really fun. I get to tour the manufacturing plant. That's their headquarters. They just moved to Las Vegas a few years ago. So I get to take a tour of that. They did send me like a travel voucher. I'm not sure how the hotel rooms work or whatnot, but how cool is that? I absolutely love that. You get to have a fun little trip. So that'll be coming up in June. And then there's a couple more levels that I have to get to be able to earn this leadership retreat that they do every year in January. And they had a guest speaker, and then and of course, you know, they just really spoiled their leaders, which I think is really, really awesome. And they are announcing, well, we're going to be getting a setting spray with Beauty Society in February. So I'm super excited about that. It looks really beautiful. It's going to be in this beautiful like black packaging that looks kind of like the color sticks here. So that's going to be coming. I think it's important to use a setting spray if you're going to take the time to do your makeup in the morning and you want it to stay. I do believe that a setting spray is the way to go. I've used several and they do make a difference. Some are a little bit more mattifying, some are a little bit more glowy looking. So it'll be really interesting to see what theirs is like. Their chemist, one of their chemists is one of the founder's children. And so it'll be interesting to see what they end up with on the setting spray. But they have taken other products and have done like dupes with them. So say for example, our color sticks here, these are identical to the OG line. Ingredients are different, obviously, but the concept and the creaminess, because I have some OG sticks, is very, very similar to the OG. So these really caught my eye when I was looking around for makeup. One of the reasons why I joined Beauty Society is to get my hands on these beautiful sticks. This is the color Famous. But the other thing with their leadership levels, they start paying out bonuses at the level that I'm at, like the leadership level. It is a $300 bonus when you hit a $10,000 a month volume with their company, and it goes up from there. So most comp plans at the end of the day, they all kind of look very similar. But what I have found with this comp plan is that it's really easier to move through the ranks because it is volume based. So you don't have to have people at certain levels to be able to hit their leadership levels. So I was able to soar through the first ranks quite easily, and I'm really grateful for that. And right now, I mean, my Pomifera business still, you know, leads the way, but this is definitely a running second, and I really don't think it'll take long for the Beauty Society to surpass what my Pomifera business is doing, because the makeup is beautiful. This is another product. This is what I put on today, the Sheer Joy. This is just a great light sheer coverage for if you don't want to wear a bunch of makeup. But this is a Chanel dupe. So their chemists took apart. There's a Chanel product that's a very similar product to this. It's just like a tinted serum, but it's very luxurious looking on. And I love that like clear glass face look. But anyway, so they like to do a lot of dupes off of other brands, putting their own spin on it, making it their own. And I love that. So again, we're going to be, hey, Jody, good morning. I've been kind of hiding in the thick of health. Haven't wanted to get on live or work or do anything, but I feel like I'm coming to finally. Like my eyes don't feel like they're glued to my eyelids. Just trying to do some things to kind of calm my body down. I really needed to do that reset, but that's out of stock. But we'll get that when it comes in and give that one a try. But I do have Shaklee's hydrate drinks coming. They look really good. They're supposed to help hydrate and focus, and I absolutely need the focus. If any of you are going through menopausal brain issues, I'm hoping that I'll get a little bit of focus with those. Let's see what else. Oh, and then Palmafera, we still have our little tiered special. You'll get all kinds of freebies at a $75 purchase and I think it's $150 purchase, and then a $225 purchase. You get the body spray, body lather, and then the silk body milk. But anyways, I'm really enjoying, I think I need to blend my nose a little bit better, but really enjoying these Beauty Society products. It's like it's uncomplicated makeup, and the finish is very beautiful. They feel very luxurious, and they have all the freebies all the time for their customers. So I hope you give them a try. Right now, they do have a cart perk where if you have a $75 order, you will get a $15 discount on your order. So basically, you're going to get $75 in products for $60. So now would be a good time to grab some things, put something on subscription, and then you're going to get the revival for half price, you guys. So take advantage of that. But there's just a lot of really good things happening with Beauty Society. I feel like it's a company that I can feel very proud of bringing people into and sharing. Let me turn my light off and get walking upstairs to start the day. And super excited to be able to share it with you guys. So we have a $5 join option this month. So if you want to get your hands into Beauty Society, you can join for $5. So here's my little finished easy peasy quick look today. And there's also a $59 kit that you can join with too. So come on aboard, have fun, get your hands on some Beauty Society. Holler at me if you have any questions. But there's all kinds of perks for you out there to take advantage of. All right, you guys, you have an awesome day, and I'll chat with you later. Love ya. Bye.